Well, you know what he did? When you made your capuchin videos, there was one where like you were pointing back like this. He was like, "Yo, I got an ass."
Guys, we're not doing Gale mode. Let me turn it off.
New level, let's go.
Nah, Dad, I'm fine.
Okay.
Wow,
Sigma,
say Sigma.
First time reaction from X May.
See me on a different type of
Cameraman. Oh my god, it's the first words he said, guys. Yo, I just saw something.
Yeah, I know, he's over here.
Skibbity button. This is just.
Guys, I'm Spider-Man.
It's
Where's
a
the button?
Oh, yeah, I've never watched.
Where?
Yo, I just saw something with white eyes. Yo.
He's over there, wait.
Yo, what is? Bro, what the?
Boss!
Yo, that guy is so not Sigma. No, that's.
See, y'all have Skibbity Riddles.
What does the monster look like? Wait.
He's over here, wait, I'm following him. Yo, look at this.
Yo.
This looks sick.
Bro's on the run.
Catch him! Ah! Naruto. I'm Naruto. Guys, he's over here chasing me. Go up here quick. He looks like Cartoon Cat. He's actually well modeled. He's actually
Guys,
scary.
I just said the mouse in the sink.
No, look. Wait, Sean, where's the button? Where? What?
There's a button here, boys. Mayhem.
Oh, there's one over here. Wait, there's one down here. I'm a shinobi. Where's the monster? Guys, I'm gonna go Spider-Man mode. Who wants to come with me?
I'm coming.
Wait.
Peter Parker, wait.
Quacks, go that way. Quacks, go that way. Wait.
You have to save me. I'm Zendaya. Hey, monkey. Oh, he's coming.
Piss off. He's over there. Run for it. Quacks, come on, Quacks. Where's Sean? Come this way, come this. Hell no. It's right there. It was right. Oh, there's a button there. But there's one here as well. Wait, shut up. We need to hear it. Wait, there's one here and there's one there. There's one here. Guys, there's one here. That was. Oh, there's one over there.
Train!
Guys, there's one over there. No.
Wait, try to get in.
Ah, no! I got killed. It hit me.
It kills you.
Guys, come over here. There was a button over here. Oh, crap. Oh, guys, look over here. Guys, come here. Guys, a safe spot. We're safe. Wee.
Oh.
Wait, guys, when you die, do you lose all your buttons?
What the heck?
Do you lose all your buttons? It's safe zone, but do you lose all your buttons?
I don't know.
I think I did, because I don't see my buttons anymore.
Let's Wait, who got hit by the train?
I got hit by the train. You just get the blood splatter thing. I don't mind, I see my buttons, but the one over there is gone. Oh crap. No, there was one there, I don't know where it went. Guys. Where is it? We need to, wait, do you think it could be in a crate? It might be in a crate.
Come over here.
Shall we go in here? I feel like we should go in here.
The next L please move out of the way.
Guys, step out the way, the train. There's... I swear there was a button on the train.
There's a button here,
Oh yeah, that's the button I was looking at. Oh, run!
Okay, I need one more,
Mayhem.
more.
Wait, guys, the monster's right here. No, he's gonna die!
Yo, what the?
Why is he moaning? But he's like...
Yo, train!
No button. But let's go. I know it.
I kept my buttons.
Wait, let me re-record. Wait, guys, I lagged out. Guys, I'm lagging out.
Actual sick. I'm not going.
What the flip? That was scary. Behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you. Wait.
Button in here.
Okay, wait. Because I lagged out. It was like really weird. Wait. I need that one over there and then I'll get this one right. Guys, wait, where is it? Is it in here?
Yeah.
How? How? How do I get it?
Go in.
Oh. Can you help me? Can you help me, please?
The next L train is coming. Please move out of the way.
Guys. Where is this? Guys, I'm actually lost. Guys, I'm lost. I can't find it and the monster's in there. Guys, I can't find it.
Exactly what this level's about is the train, Sean. Wait, Zen, did you get the button over here? Go get the button over here.
Hold on.
There's a button right here. Did you get this one?
Nope, but now I have.
Alright, follow me. I know where the last one is.
He got in there with me. Sigma meals, skibbity slicers. I'm ready when you want
Zen,
to
follow
go.
me, Zen.
The next
Yeah.
L train is
Alright,
coming.
follow me.
Please move out of the way.
I did not find it, Sean. I got lost
Oh, I
again.
heard the monster.
It's here. It's here. It's here. Yeah, it's here. Sigma meals, skibbity slicers. I was behind you.
Okay, I made it.
Oh, I didn't get this one. Oh, I got it now. Okay, I hear it open.
Okay, boys, we need to get there. My name is Paul Martin Atreides, Duke of Arrakis,
Under the blue sea or something.
The next L train is coming. Please move out of the way.
How do we get on?
Oh, it's over there! Over there!
Where? Oh, you mean the exit?
I see it, chat.
Are you talking about the exit over here? It's
Over
all-
here, boys, over here.
Oh, did you really think we had to get on the train?
Here, guys.
What? All aboard. They all hopped on. Ah!
For the
Let's go, guys.
Yo, the train's moving. This is so Sigma.
Yo,
868.
we're so sick.
Departing from gate
No, we hit
Did you guys see
rats.
that?
heading to
Oh, there's a button there.
Wait,
69.
Oh,
Are we going towards the
I
monster?
don't know what happened. We're going towards something white. Do you guys see that?
Incoming!
That's Sigma. POV X Mayhem's new video.
Guys, what if it just chases us
Whatever.
behind us? What if it's just behind us?
Mayhem be like, oh my god, this is scary.
Nah, but look behind us
Yeah,
though.
be
It
like,
could,
oh my
it
God,
could be
this is
behind
Sigma.
us.
I'll keep watching
I
front.
actually don't know what's gonna happen.
Are we gonna get jumped? Is the train gonna flip?
Yeah, we're
What's
gonna get
happen,
jumped.
boys?
We're gonna get like bombed. Oh, there's something on the wall. there.
Bro, okay, that's too bad. The train's gonna
This
get
is gonna be like-
flipped or something.
Yeah.
Puppy
playtime
it's 7
reference.
a.m. and now I'm going
Puppy
to bed.
playtime reference.
It's 7 a.m. and no sleep. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. By the way, there is an anti-soft lock by the train. Right here? Oh, okay.
What's
But
an
anyway, boys,
anti-soft lock?
That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe.
Ow,
And I'll see you guys in the next
It's-
video.
It's the
Let's
opposite
play
of the
it.
pretty much you click that and you get stuck forever.
Goodbye.
You wanna go? You guys wanna go to the anti-soft lock?
If you press it
goodbye,
with me, I'll
Sigma.
press
Send
it.
Wow, he pressed it for you.
Oh wait,
Alright,
never mind.
cool.
Anti-soft lock's how you get out of a soft lock. I'm
Goodbye,
stupid.
Sigma. Here, everyone
That
come
means
here.
if you get stuck, that's how you
Guys,
Bye,
on the count of
Sigmas.
two, we're all gonna say,